Model, 2016 Renault Trafic Vivaro Sl27 Sport DCI spares or repairs needs head gasket. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 135043. MOT, the 12th of April 2025. Engine, 1598 CCR9M115E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, parking sensors, 2 keys, sat-nav, electric windows, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,450. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.